In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a hand drill. Hey everyone, welcome back to David's DIY Reviews. On this channel we do a lot of little woodworking builds, woodworking tutorials, and kind of tool tutorials like this one. And stick around to the end of the video. I've got a great tip that I guarantee you don't know about. For people who don't have brad style drill bits, which are wood drill bits, if you've got regular kind of metal run-of-the-drill bits, I've got a tip for starting your drill that'll make sure it works every time. And in the description below, there'll be links to all three of these hand drills that I'll be using in this video. Now let's get into it. There are two main types of hand drills. The first and most common is going to be an eggbeater style drill like this. And the second, a little less common, but you do see them, is more of a pistol style hand drill like this one here. The first thing to know about these manual hand drills is putting the drill bit in. Most of them are going to have this style chuck that doesn't have a chuck key where you just turn the chuck and it tightens onto the drill bit. There are also some, though, a little better quality like this that have more of a traditional style chuck with an actual chuck key. And those are, in the end going to work better for you. The drill bit is going to stay tighter. So when you're using a hand drill, you always want to be kind of face down over the drill. That way you can look straight down the shaft of the drill and keep it perpendicular, straight up 90 degrees from the work that you're drilling into. And that's going to ensure a nice straight hole. And always good to remember, clockwise is going to drill into your material. Counterclockwise is going to bring the drill back out. And always with drilling, you want to let the drill bit do the work. Let the weight of the drill do the work. You don't want to be applying too much pressure. If your drill bits are sharp, you really hardly have to push at all. Just let the drill do the work and you'll find you have a nice smooth hole. And as you get through the material like this, continue drilling, and then don't just pull the drill straight back out. Continue turning the drill and pull the drill out of the material. That's going to give you a nice, smooth, straight hole. And a good tip, if you're struggling to start your drill off straight, if you have another piece of material, you can kind of set it beside where you're about to drill, and that allows you to line your drill straight up and down. Actually, if you took your piece of material and cut like a 90 degree into it, you'd have 90 degrees up and down on two sides of the drill, and that would allow you to start your drill off and continue drilling pretty straight until you get it going, and it will hold itself straight. Now I've got one of these Fisker kind of pistol style drills. Actually, all three of these drills are Fiskers, and like I said, link in the description below if you're in the market for a hand drill. And they're nice, but just like a cordless drill or a quarter drill, when you're applying pressure, it's going to want to lean the drill. That's where the eggbeater style drills are nice, because you're applying pressure straight down on the top of the drill, but it's going to be the same process. You're going to start your drill bit and just start turning and just let the drill do the work. These are a nice little drill for around the house for quick drilling. You got to drill something into drywall so you can reach a stud, or you want to pre-drill something to nail. This is a good solution, because you can pick one of these up for like 30 bucks. If you drill something once a month, once a year, it beats saving like a DeWalt cordless for $200-300. And as for maintenance on these hand drills, all you're going to want to do is make sure you've got a light kind of film of oil on the gear, the main gear and the drive gear, and that's going to allow this to turn really freely. Sometimes you can drop a bit of oil down in the shaft as well, but if you're using these a small amount of time, they're going to stay lubed up nicely. You'll also notice some hand drills, the top of the handle turns. That's a nice feature to have when you're looking for one, because you can hold your palm on there and actually turn the drill as you need it to apply pressure and keep it straight, and you don't have to turn your whole body. And as promised, guys, if you don't have brad drill bits, which are wood drill bits, and you're using a regular metal drill bit, there is a trick to starting them. You can either, center punch your material, which isn't a bad idea anyway. So if you center punched or not, the trick is to turn the drill in reverse about 1 or 2 turns, and that's going to give you a nice little point to start on, and then you can begin to drill straight, and you're going to make sure that you drill on point every time. So like I said, guys, links to all 3 of these hand drills in the description below. Also, David's DIY merchandise, brand new line for this year, in the description below. Pants, shirts, COVID masks, check it out. David's DIY reviews. Catch you guys in the next one.